Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a second Google account with an active payment method and a device running a recent Play Store. First, add the secondary account to your Android device under Settings Accounts. This ensures the Play Store can switch accounts. Once done, open Play Store, tap your avatar, and choose the secondary account. Make sure the payment profile in Google Payments is complete, otherwise purchases will fail. These steps prepare you to use a different billing identity for in-app purchases. Now you configure both Play Store and the app. Switch the Play Store to the secondary account before opening the app. Purchases use the account active in Play. If the app auto-restores purchases from the original account, clear its cache or data and sign in again with the desired account. Also confirm the app uses Google Play billing, otherwise it may bypass Play account selection. When finished, try a non-consumable or small test purchase to verify the billing account is the one you selected. Finish by making the actual in-app purchase with the Play Store set to your chosen account. Confirm the purchase prompt displays the correct email. If you see the wrong account or are charged incorrectly, stop and request a refund through Google Play Order History and make sure payment profiles aren't linked. If issues persist, remove the undesired Google account from the device and retry, since account caching can interfere. One key troubleshooting tip: clear Play Store data and reboot to force account refresh before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.